Hey guys, DMCubing, and today just a quick video to tell you about a very cool unboxing over at Christian Cuber. Now, he and I became acquainted with each other months ago, like 9 months ago, when he won my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. At the time, one of the gifts was a magnetic GTS2. I recorded, I wrote down like who got what cube and all this, but I forgot to put that his was stickerless. And it really wasn't until recently when I asked him, I said, what cube's your main? Because I saw him solving on a stickerless. I thought I had sent him a black stickered, so I thought, well, maybe he didn't really care for that one. And he's like, oh no, this is my main, the one that you sent months ago. And I'm like, oh, cool. So I got the idea. I know the magnets in that one was N35 4x1.7. And I know how that cube feels, and I really wanted to get like the opinion of somebody that's used that cube, and here he has used it for like 9 months. I'd like to get his opinion on my cubes that I'm making with N42 5x1s. So I said, hey, you want to try one of these cubes? And he has his brother on his channel quite a bit, CuberX, and they're great together. I mean, I love these guys. They're so funny. So I sent both of them a new cube because I wanted to get his impressions and see what he thought about it. And it's a great unboxing, so please go check it out. He's got a great channel. He's a PK, as he calls it. That's a pastor's kid. He's got kind of Christian-oriented content. He's got a real neat series that's about to come back, I think, probably within a few days, called Christ, Coffee, and Cubes. And just real good content. As a matter of fact, his quality is just like skyrocketed over the past few videos. It's making people like me look like rank amateurs. I mean, here's this guy with 2 cameras set up and all this, and nice lights and everything. So he's really working great on his channel. So if you can, go check out the unboxing. I like to see people use my cubes that like do them much faster than me. And it's just kind of a disclaimer. I don't just send out cubes to a whole lot of people because I really don't have very many, and I try to save that for my giveaways. But these two guys, CuberX and Christian Cuber, they're so positive. They're such a good positive force in the cubing community and YouTube community that I just kind of did this as just kind of to acknowledge them, and they're just great guys. So okay, so if you don't mind, go check their video out, and we'll see you the next time. See you guys later. Take care. Happy cubing. Bye.